Unit 3, which is the unit we are about to begin, focuses on circles and volume. So what we're going to start off with is circles. So in this video, I'm going to give you some of the basic circle terminology that we're going to be using throughout this unit. Chord, diameter, radius, secant line, and tangent line. So first I want to start off with a chord. Okay, I color-coded this for you. The chord is the line in purple, which is CB. Now, CB is a line segment. If you remember, CB and a line segment have a definitive beginning and they have a definitive end. All right? In this case, what we call a chord is a segment that begins and ends on a circle. Sorry about the bad handwriting. Okay, now a diameter is actually a special type of chord. So look at what a diameter is. You see that it's the blue line. I know that you have seen diameters before. A diameter, in this case CD, is a chord that goes through the center of the circle. And of course, a radius, which I know you've all heard of, is half of the diameter. So here our radius is AE, and it's half diameter. It goes from the center to edge of circle. Now, a secant line, this is a new one that you may not have heard of. So you notice that it's in orange. I want you to look over and see that FG is our secant line. But what you also need to notice is that it is a line. It goes through the circle. So a secant line, which in this case is FG, is a line that goes through a circle twice. It enters the circle and goes back out the circle. Sorry, it goes through a circle twice. All right. What you also might hear that called is, instead of through A, let's introduce another term, intersects. I know you've heard that before. So it's also called a line that intersects a circle twice. And finally, we have the tangent line, which is the gray line. In this case, tangent does not mean the same thing it did in our last unit. In our last unit, tangent was used as a term for the ratio of the opposite over the adjacent. In this unit, the word tangent has a completely different meaning. Okay, a tangent line is a line that touches the circle one time. It intersects the circle one time. So here you'll see that I've given this tangent line an extra point out here called H, so we're going to call the tangent line DH. Sometimes it might just be called tangent line D, and it intersects the circle one time. And only one time. So these are our basic terms that we're going to be using. Make sure that you go and answer the questions. And that's all for this video.